Hello friends, today we learn circle command in detail. Here is a circle command and the shortcut key of circle is C, enter. C, enter. Here specify center point of first circle. If I click here, this is center point. Now radius of circle suppose is 100,000. Okay. Center. Another way is click here, circle. First one is center radius. If I click here center radius, specify center point. This is a center. Now I have to specify the radius of circle. Suppose radius of circle is 250. Okay. Next one is center diameter. Center diameter. Specify center point. Suppose diameter of circle is 500. If I want to check this diameter, go to this one, diameter, select the circle, by zooming, see 500 diameter. I want to check the radius of this one. First zoom extend. I want to check the radius of this one. For that also go to radius, here dimensions, select this arc or circle, zoom extend. Here you can see radius is 1000. Okay. Now I delete all this. Next one is 2-point circle. For creating a 2-point circle, first of all I have to draw a line. Ortho mode on. Delete this one. This is not a straight line. L, enter. Escape. I have to copy this one, so use the copy tool. Enter. Specify base point. Okay, enter. Escape. Now select circle 2 point. Specify first point of the circle, diameter. Second is this one. This is 2-point circle. Again I want to 2-point circle, then go to space bar, click space bar, click center. No, if I center, escape. Delete this one. Circle 2-point, click, escape. Next is 3-point. For that, first of all I delete this one. I'll enter. I have to create a triangle for 3-point. Ortho mode off, so that I'll enter. create 3-point circle. For that, specify first point of circle, this one, second suppose this, and the third one is this. You see, this is a 3-point circle. Next is 10-10 radius, and another one is 10-10-10. 10-10 means tangent. 10-10 radius. First of all, delete this one. Delete one. 10-10 radius. First, for that, if I have a circle already, 2, C, enter, C, enter. If I want to draw a circle here, one has a tangent this, another one is this, radius, select 10-10 radius. First tangent is this one, specify second tangent, this one. Now specify radius. Suppose radius is 100, enter. The circle is not drawn because the circle does not exist, the radius is bigger. For that, another click 10-10 radius, select this tangent also. Now specify radius 200, enter. Suppose 10-10 radius, specify this 10 radius. Okay, 407. This one. This is the circle that we created by the tangent of this one and this one, and the radius is 407. Next one is 10-10-10. So we have to click there. First tangent, second one, and the third one. The radius, the circle is created. Okay, if I want to, first of all I delete this one. If I want to delete all this, I select one and click Ctrl plus A. So all the circle is selected. Now delete. The shortcut key of circle command is C, enter. Now specify center of circle, radius. Now here in command line you can see circle specify radius or diameter. But if I want to create a circle with diameter, then what to do? D, enter. Okay, now you can click a diameter of the circle. Suppose I want the diameter of circle is 200, enter. Okay, now I can check here by diameter. This is the diameter is 200. Okay, delete this one. In next lecture we will discuss arc command in detail.